In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with the line tool in Photoshop. Let's start by getting the right tool. Look over to your toolbar and choose the line tool. If you don't see it immediately, it's nested under the rectangle tool. Click and hold the rectangle tool icon to reveal the group, then pick the line tool. You can also press the U key to access the shape tools, which is a quick way to get to the line tool when you're moving fast. Before drawing, look to the options bar at the top of your screen and set the mode to shape. This is important. Shape mode creates a vector shape layer, which means your line stays sharp at any size and remains fully editable. If you accidentally choose pixels, you'll paint a raster line that can blur when scaled. Path mode won't render a visible line until you stroke it, so shape is the best choice for a clean, visible, and flexible result. Now draw your line. Click once on the canvas where you want the line to begin, then click and drag toward the direction you want it to extend. As you drag, you'll see the line preview follow your cursor. Release the mouse to set it in place. If you need precise alignment, hold the Shift key while dragging. Holding Shift constrains the angle, so the line snaps perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a 45-degree angle. This is especially helpful for grids, guides, and clean interface elements. With the line placed, refine its appearance in the options bar. Adjust the stroke weight to control thickness. The higher the number, the bolder the line. If your line looks too thin or nearly invisible, increase the weight until it reads clearly in your layout. Next, set the stroke color. Click the color swatch and choose a hue that contrasts well with your background. A high contrast color makes it easier to judge thickness and placement, and you can always change it later. Because you drew the line as a shape, these properties are non-destructive and can be edited at any time. As you tweak weight and color, keep an eye on how the line interacts with other elements in your document. Subtle adjustments, like a 1 or 2 pixel change in weight, can make a big difference in balance and legibility. When everything looks right, you're done. You've created a clean, crisp line that's easy to adjust, align, and reuse across your project. That's it. Select the line tool, set the mode to shape, draw, hold Shift for perfect angles, and fine-tune your stroke weight and color. Thanks for watching, and happy